you guys know, I wasn't really feeling the frontal that much. The hair is absolutely beautiful. Let me just definitely say, Yolissa Hair, you know, in my last video I did kind of like not bash it too much, but I just want to say, retract my what I said. And basically, Yolissa Hair is amazing. The hair is really good. The frontals are not good. Their closures are good. It's just a regular closure. So I do suggest getting a closure. As I said, the frontal, I actually fixed it a bit, and it's not as bad as it was. It's definitely wearable, rockable, slayable. But yeah, when it's just blonde, it looked crazy. So definitely, if you want to purchase from Yolissa Hair, get a closure. The bundles are amazing. The bundles, like, I washed it, colored it clearly, toned it, and it's perfect. Like, add a little bit of sheen on it, everything, some heat, perfect. So I definitely recommend YolissaHair.com. Everything will be in my description box if you do want to purchase from them. Let me know below what's the next color you would like to see me in for the new year. I get so many comments, and I try to read everything, and I try to write down what you guys want to see, because I never want to upload anything that y'all just don't want to watch. I got some story times coming up. I got some chit chat get readies with me coming up. I got vlogs. A lot of you have been asking me to do some vlogs. I have a really big vlog coming up. A really big one. You guys are going to be excited. I'm going to take you with me. So that's all I really want to say to you guys before we get into this. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you are subscribing, thank you so much to all my old subscribers that are still here rocking with the kids, still watching every video, still thumbsing up, still commenting, still following me on all my social media accounts, still just keeping up to see if the girl is okay. I do appreciate it. I have a giveaway coming up as well. Say thank you to you guys. It will be the biggest giveaway I've ever done on my channel. It's coming. You guys will get wigs. Let's just say that. So anyway, let's just get into this hair, because this is like giving me life. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm about to part it, style it, cut it into how I want it to look. Then we're gonna wash it, tone it, and we're done, y'all. We're done. Okay, so before I start this process, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you are loving this video so far. And yeah, I will see you guys at the end of this video, because I'm going to just do what I do. Okay. So I had to step off camera and tone this hair, because I was gonna do it on myself, but it's so much layers in this wig. If this was my real hair, it probably wouldn't be as much layers, but because this is a wig and you put hair on a wig, it's so much layers that I couldn't like get it by myself. So I just stepped off camera and did it. So I apologize. All I did was just put the toner all over my head, all over the wig, and then it turned purple. and I let it sit for like an hour, and I just rinsed it out. And this is the color that it came out. This really pretty silver color. So today I'm going to be using the Bold Hold Lace Cream, and it looks like, hold on y'all, hold on. And it looks like this. It's in this bottle. And I'm also going to be using my Got To Be Ultra Glue Blasting Free Spray to make sure that it's nice and set on my head. I'm going to be using my blow dryer to just apply some air to it so that it can set. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm just going to install this on my head.
Shit. We don't give a shit, cause it's not about how you do it, but why you do it. It's all about the house music, and it always will be. And it always will be. I don't give a shit. 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 We don't give a shit, cause it's not about how you do it. It's all about the house music, and it always will be. 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 And it always will be.
Damn, Jordan.
Yeah. Got him.
Goddamn, Jordan.
Listen, them little fish get A. Yeah. We big sharks in this tank. Always scheming, moving, trying to get to it. Nigga, what the fuck do you think? All these little niggas want bank. All these little niggas want diamonds. You jumping to it, we climbing. You running for it, we jogging. Know the difference? Bullshit, it's queen shit. Get on it, strike a pose for the camera. Thinking God like damn I'm up. Spiking on me at the red light. Try something that's gonna be a life. Classy bitch, but I stay bougie. Lighting up, smoking ninja koozies. I don't do love, I don't want your cooties. Play yourself, thinking you can fool me. All that talking, nigga, stop it. Smell that money, make it palm itch. Born broke, I'ma die rich. In the city, smoking on that ape shit. Gorilla glue, got your body stiff. That's the indica, sneaking up on ya. You thought I was finished, I jump right back in it and switch up the rhythm. Cook flows like a chemist. I come then I kill it, fatality finish. Luke K when I kick it, tired of losing. We came to win it. Back the fuck up if your heart ain't a bennett. Public houses to the private houses, talking palm trees, talking different islands, tripping on the islands. Got you flying pilot queens, moving silence. Better check the timing and act like you know. Tell 'em I finna blow for show. Yeah, yeah. Smoking all this weed, got it from the flow. What? Always thinking fast. Yeah, never moving slow. Never.